So here we have a Hunter Douglas Duet Skylight shade with remote control. And this video is for Dylan and Chris. Here's my installer, Gary. Where is Gary? Gary, my installer. Here he is, right here. He's temporary until Chris and Dylan get a little older to come with me. Then I'll get rid of that guy. All right, so we're gonna do one and down. And here comes the shade down. Stops by itself. Makes a big difference in the wintertime with the heat escaping through the skylight, because in the wintertime heat rises. Skylight is porous, it just goes right out, up and out. So this will save in the heat in the winter, and in the summertime it works opposite. It saves on the air conditioning. Doesn't let the heat come in through the skylight. We're gonna have it go open, and we could stop it wherever we want. Superior Interiors, 631-225-9600 or 516-317-5091. Is the homeowner around? Do you like what we did? I won't video, I'll just ask you.
It was fantastic.
There we go.
Beautiful.
That's something right straight from the homeowner. Take care, guys.